I'm Vietnamese. I'm here to make Vietnam stronger. I'm a global citizen. I communicate with the whole world. I'm passionate about learning English. I know I will speak perfect English. I devote all my time and efforts. I enjoy I enjoy learning English every day. I enjoy speaking English everywhere. No, I, I feel less. I feel less to express myself. I feel less to talk to foreigners. No matter how hard it is, no matter how take it long, no matter how what they say, I still believe in myself. I'm gonna make it. Just do it right here, right now.